A period of heavy snow is forecast from late this afternoon into the early overnight within 40 miles of a line from New Ulm to the Twin Cities Metro toward Hayward, Wisconsin. A winter storm warning is in effect for those areas this afternoon through tonight. Snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour are likely in isolated Snow may be heavy at times in the evening. Snow accumulation around 8 inches. Lows in the upper 20s. North winds around 15 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation near 100%.